What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK42865HD HYD. This is going to be our hydraulic brake kit for a 7,000 pound axle using 9/16 studs. See right here, this box you get it in. Got our nice logo on it. We got our two smaller boxes here. We're going to pull out our True Ride hub and drum. These have the races already pressed in on them with the 9/16 studs. We have our backing plate here. You can see the hydraulic pistons already on it. And the connections are back here. The sticker is going to tell us left hand, right hand, as well as this needs to point towards the truck. And then we're going to go to our other box here and pull all of our small parts out, as well as our other hub and drum and our other backing plate. So with this kit, we're going to get two hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. Then we're going to get our outer bearings, the 14125A, and these just pop in right here. Then we're going to get our inner bearings, the 25580, and these are just going to pop in back here just like that. Then we're going to get 4 grease caps, 2 of which are going to have these holes for the easy lube spindles, and 2 of which are going to be solid like this for your regular spindles. And the easy lube spindles are also going to come with the rubber cap. And we have our seals. We're going to get 4 of these, and the reason we're going to get 4 seals is we can see 2 of them are thicker and 2 of them are going to be thinner. These are going to be 1 1/4 and these are going to be 1 1/8. The thicker ones are for the older style axles, the thinner ones are for newer style axles. More than likely you'll need the thin ones, but we like to send them just in case you need them. Then we're going to have our lug nuts. And these are going to be what we use for the 9/16. They are the flange nut, they just pop on. Then we have our hardware for our backing plate. Generally these studs will already be in the plate on the axle, but sometimes they fall out, they're not pressed in or anything. So all you got to do is grab one of these, stick it through the plate on the axle, stick it through here, screw it down, and you're good to go. And then we're going to have the rest of our hardware. And with this we're going to get 2 castle nuts, and we're going to get these regular washers for the regular spindles. We're going to get tang washers for our easy lube spindles, and then we're going to get these cotter pins. More than likely you're not going to need the cotter pins, but we like to send them just to make sure. That's pretty much it, guys. It's the BK42865HD HYD.